What's up, team Fullest? This is a girl AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Click Up My Canal. So if you have watched my previous video when I did my bake chop, yes, if you guys see at the end of the video, I kind of show you guys a little bit of how my hair had this, my head has this really, my head was very dry and it has like this white things coming out. I'll put a video here to show you guys what I'm talking about, but I have like this white thing coming out of my head and my hair was very dry. I've washed my head and I put a lot of fenugreek oil. You guys know I made a DIY fenugreek oil, so I pour a lot of fenugreek oil on my hair, and that has actually helped my scalp to be a little bit moist, not to be super dry anymore. So what I'm going to do is, I do have aloe vera plant at home. I'm going to make an aloe vera spray leave-in conditioner, because aloe vera is very good for like dry scalp, like when your scalp is dry, it gives a lot of moist. I'm going to be using aloe vera. I'm also going to be adding some tea tree oil and peppermint oil to help stimulate the hair growth. So I do have aloe vera, and I just want to start using that because I've noticed that my head has been very dry. My scalp is very dry, and I really want to take care of my hair this time. Like, I'm really loving this bald head. It's like really fitting me, especially when my face is full. I'm not like super skinny. It's really fitting me. I'm really loving it. It has been very easy these few days to just like take shower, get out of the house, don't do anything, don't bother about hair, maybe just do a little bit of the eyebrow, and I try to trim my eyebrow and make sure that my eyebrow is on point, so that at least it kind of brings out my features on my face a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the aloe vera plant, and then I'm going to take you guys to the kitchen, show you guys how I prepare the mixture, and then I'll be back showing you guys how I spray it on my head. So let me guys show you the plants, and then let's go down to the kitchen and make the concoction. Okay, so guys, this is the aloe vera plant that I have been using it a little by little, so now I'm going to cut enough plant. I also want to make aloe vera gel and rice water hairspray, mix it together. So I'm going to cut enough aloe vera that's going to be enough for the leave-in of my hair, and also for making the rice water and aloe vera spray. So I'm gonna cut. So this is the aloe vera plant, so I'm going to get my knife and cut some few aloe vera, and then we're going to the kitchen to prepare this. So guys, now it's time to remove the aloe vera gel out of the aloe vera leaf. So as you guys can see, I've already removed some of the gel, so now I'm going to show you guys how I remove this with one of this one. But it's very simple to remove aloe vera gel. You just cut the aloe vera and try to remove the first skin on top, and then you can go in with a knife or a spoon, it depends on which one is better for you, and then you can go in and remove the gel. As you guys can see, I've already had a lot of gel. Like I said, I'm going to be making 2 different recipes, but you guys will see the other video later, and so that's the reason why I make a lot of aloe vera. As you guys can see, the aloe vera, the plants are so big and the gel are really a lot. So I'm going to remove the gel. After removing the gel, and then I'm going to be blending it, shifter it, and then add 5 drops of peppermint oil and 5 drops of tea tree oil, and then mix everything into the bottle, shake everything, and then the remaining aloe vera gel, the remaining water, I'm going to be using it to make my rice water and aloe vera hairspray. So I've explained to you guys everything. You're just gonna watch through and see how I do everything step by step. Hope you all like this video, and if you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. TeamFullest. So guys, you all have already saw the video. I prepared the magic spray. So it's I didn't make a lot. I make this so that this one will be enough, and it's very easy to make. It's not difficult to make. This is just pure aloe vera water. So there's nothing in here, just aloe vera water with some few drop of peppermint and tea tree oil. So now I'm going to show you guys how I spray this, and this is a glass bottle. I'm going to be putting this one in the fridge so that it doesn't spoil, but I think this one will last me at least for a week. I'm going to be doing this every twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. Yeah, so this is what I do. You just take it, you just spray like this. So this is what I'm going to be doing, and sometimes it's also easy. If you want, you can just spray it into your hand, rub it like this, and this is really good. So you guys can see my hair is very I don't even have next to nothing on my hair. I like to focus on my edges, back of my hair. So this is how we are going to be doing it. You do this twice a day, in the morning before I leave the house. I have not been actually wearing wig. I actually go out like this, and it's just so beautiful, especially when the weather is hot right now in Holland. This is just so cool. And yeah, with the aloe vera, really helps with the moisture, so yeah, this is how I use it, and this is how you can make your own aloe vera leave-in spray. If you guys like this video, if you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, peace out. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you.